ably put out here. Mr. Speaker, I happen to have institutional memory because I worked in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Mr. Speaker, during that time when the Speaker of the National Assembly was actually the minister, one of the template programs that was in that ministry was that the Kenyan government had to sign bilaterals with each and every country that was receiving Kenyan people as part of its workforce. Mr. Speaker, I believe that must have been dumped somewhere and people moved on. The truth and the reality, and Mr. Speaker, frequently some of us discuss this, and we say there are certain things that we're going to have to fix for this country to fix other things. The reason why you find we have all these agencies coming out to the villages to recruit people, where these people's monies which they're going to earn, some of them last a year before they receive a cent as they work in those Arab countries and other places. We are completely not interested what happens to these people. Even when we go to Dubai, like some of us have said, you see our people in the streets. And it looks quite casual and normal. And yet, Mr. Speaker, other countries, the Philippines, they have fixed the problem. There must be a basic minimum standard which we must allow our people to go through. We must negotiate with these countries to make sure that we give our people soft landings and protect their rights. But immediately we are supposed to sign a bilateral, Honorable Boni Halwale, money exchanges hands. And those agreements never hold. And as a result, Mr. Speaker, then you find, like it has been said here by Mr. Osotsi, it is those who are in good positions in government who then end up owning these agencies. Even if you went to look for the CR12s to see who the owners are, you will most probably not know who they are. So, Mr. Speaker, the way this House has always discussed these things, can we make sure that this committee finally can sit and honestly engage broad-based in such a manner that we can reach a stage of solving this problem? It is in Lebanon, it is in Qatar, you have it in Saudi Arabia, some of it is happening even in the US. We don't need